Well, hello there, kitty and doggy. So plans have changed a little bit for this fountain here. I was going to use that old water pail, watering jug, but it just didn't work exactly how I wanted. That thing had leaks all in it anyway. So I went ahead and ran up to my Lowe's and just got a tray for the bottom of a pot right here. Drilled a hole through the bottom of it, ran the pump hose up through it, stacked some rocks and stuff up there, and drilled a bunch of holes in the front of it. So that way you get that nice trickling sound. And as the sun gets more intense, these will pick up over here and more will start coming out of there. But that way it gives the birds somewhere to sit here and drink. So I think that one there will work. Gives it a nice sound. That's really what I was after. Are you helping out as well, huh? Alrighty. Thanks for watching. This is just a little pump I got off Amazon. Not very big, just a little tiny thing. And just put the panel for it up there. Solar panel.